In this video, I'm going to share with you exciting information about tea tree essential oil, aka Melaleuca. It's the best oil for skin, hair, nails, crud and cooties, cleaning, and so much more. And I'll tell you why you want it in your wellness toolbox. I'm Rainey Ray, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. If you're looking for natural solutions for your needs, you've come to the right place. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss an update. At the end of this video, you'll have a chance to access several of my guides, including my Aging Backward Naturally guide.
I'm taking matters into my own hands now. Let's face it, we only got this life to live out. So follow me, I'm ready to go.
Tea tree for skin and hair. We all get blemishes. Heck, even I do at 68 years old, and some people even have acne. Apply tea tree oil on or around the affected area and boom, you'll be amazed at how tea tree dries it up. Add it to your toner to uplevel your daily skin cleaning routine. Skin irritations, rashes, itchy eyes, shingles and insect bites, and even stings. Apply tea tree to the affected area and the bottoms of your feet or take it internally. Add tea tree to your shampoo for dandruff and even scabies and lice. You can make a spray with tea tree and water and spray around your hairline and scalp. Let it dry and it protects from lice. Tea tree for crud. Injuries that result in broken skin make it easy for germs to enter your bloodstream, which can lead to infection. Tea tree oil can be used to clean and disinfect minor cuts and abrasions by killing bacteria that causes infections and open wounds and promote healing. I prefer tea tree for cleaning wounds over peroxide. Tea tree is an essential oil traditionally used as an antibacterial and antifungal treatment. Early research shows that it may help with nail fungus when used topically. However, more research is needed. I can tell you that I have used tea tree for toe fungus and it works great. Be consistent applying once a day and be patient. Toenails grow slower than fingernails. Say goodbye to pink eye, staph infection, and MRSA by applying tea tree oil on or around the affected area. Pro tip, combine tea tree oil with On Guard blend for increased power. Mouth sores. Apply on the affected area when they appear or even to prevent. Add tea tree to your oral healthcare routine. Such a powerful weapon when you have something going on and to maintain healthy mouth and gums. Add tea tree with frankincense, lemon, oregano, On Guard to make our go-to cootie killer, aka flute. Add the combination to water and gargle and swallow when you feel it coming, and make a roller to use daily to strengthen your immune system. Tea tree for other cooties. Because tea tree has been shown to be effective against bacteria, use it as a quick hand sanitizer and add it to your shower spray for the walls, floor, and drain after every shower to reduce the soap scum and other buildup. Insect repellent. A study found that 24 hours after being treated with tea tree oil, cows had 61% fewer flies than cows not treated with tea tree oil. A test tube study revealed that tea tree oil had a greater ability to repel mosquitoes than DEET, the most common active ingredient in commercial insect repellents. Tea tree oil is a natural deodorant. Perspiration doesn't stink, the bacteria does. Tea tree oil's antibacterial effects may help control underarm odor related to perspiration caused by bacteria. You will love having tea tree in your wellness toolbox. It's powerful, cleansing, and resolving. As promised, I want to give you access to my private Oils for Aging Backward class by clicking in the link in the description below. You can also follow the additional links to download my Aging Backward Naturally guide and other of my guides too. I am so grateful that you're here. If you can relate to what I'm saying in this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you found value in the information, go ahead and check out my other videos. Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell or whatever it is for notifications. If you're already a subscriber, then welcome to our community. and let me know what you would like to see in future videos. Together, we and our pets and animals can age backwards and live younger longer. Take good care.